an iPhone 13 Pro Max, which gives display and camera error. The camera replaced is an OEM one, and the display is an aftermarket display. Also, the camera has 2x3x not working. Let's see what happens after the parts pairing process. So, same restoring process as seen in the last video. Make sure the firmware you download is .iOS18 or C release candidate 1. Let's get started. Serial numbers have matched. Anyone know about this partial setup? Why this happened? Option to repair new installations. And because the camera is faulty might be the reason for no repair. Yeah, display is aftermarket. And also no True Tone for aftermarket displays. Thanks for watching.